Breaking crypto news. Coinbase stock soars on BlackRock partnership news. Please do not underestimate the power of BlackRock. They control more money than any institution in the entire world. Old big Wall Street, they're rolling out crypto services to their institutional clients. Obviously, they want in. Obviously, we're early stage. This is great for Coinbase, but it is incredibly good news for crypto. They are not worried about regulations. Let's dive through some of these very early stage exciting assets and the updates. First, we have Drexel University, a big university on the East Coast, deploying a transformational healthcare payment and data exchange network that uses NFTs to democratize healthcare data using the innovative Algorand blockchain. So another big partnership for Algorand, big university. Let's look at the Cardano ecosystem's activity in the month of July. They breached 3.5 million wallets, up 2% in July. Transactions up 5% to 47 million transactions. Obviously, a lot going on Cardano. It is a very busy ecosystem. Now, here is just absolutely massive news and why the Flow blockchain is pumping. Mark Zuckerberg announced we're rolling out digital collectibles to 100 more countries. We're also launching integrations with Coinbase Wallet, Hello Dapper, and support for the Flow blockchain. Tell me that is not absolutely huge for the Flow blockchain. Now, here's an update from Binance. We cannot sleep on Binance. Binance co-founder to lead Binance's $7.5 billion venture capital arm. That is how much capital Binance has to invest in Web3 and crypto technology. $7.5 billion. The BNB token is going to be the direct beneficiary of all this growth. Binance owns CoinMarketCap, just for one evidence of what they own and how big that ecosystem is, but all this money is going to get deployed. It is absolutely huge. Here's an update from Chili's, continuing to make partnerships all around the world. It's time to enter a new continent. Welcome Sharks Rugby to the Socios family. So a Sharks Rugby, a team in Africa, South Africa, is launching a fan token on Chili's. I like a lot of small partnerships globally. This is just one of them. The more partnerships, the better. So I'm keeping you guys posted on that. Here's a partnership related to the Jasmy ecosystem. Jasmy will begin joint development of a cell culture system with Biomedica Solution. We will further enhance, utilize a personal data locker in terms of safeguarding. So what's happening here is companies in Japan are starting to unite behind using Jasmy. This is one small startup, but obviously Jasmy is kind of like the Japanese blockchain and token. And so what they're doing is just partnering up with companies all in Japan. Absolutely huge. I can't stop giving you guys updates on Decentraland. They just won't stop. Take your summer to Decentraland with Summer Made Sensational. This is from Patron Tequila. So the more companies that bring their clients into Decentraland, the bigger the mass adoption of Decentraland. Just one metaverse, but obviously massive adoption. Now, here's an update on two of my favorite assets. Another important governance subgraph went live, this time for ENS domains hosted on the Graph protocol for all to use. So the Graph protocol indexes blockchains. Now it's partnering up with ENS domains, which governs the .eth domain ecosystem. So the ENS token governs that. GRT governs the Graph protocol, which indexes lots of blockchains. Love investing in blockchain infrastructure. Here's an update from Bitcoin, the king of all cryptos. Just in, El Salvador's banking platform Galoy has launched a Bitcoin-backed synthetic dollar pegged to the US dollar. We are talking about disrupting the entire stablecoin industry using Bitcoin, okay? Like many people don't realize the technological advancements going on with Bitcoin. People think it's a slow old blockchain, but if they can launch stable coins via the Lightning Network on top of Bitcoin, then maybe it is early stage. Maybe it will compete with a lot of these other revolutionary assets. So here's another update on what the smart money is doing. MasterCard CFO says they will continue to expand in areas such as crypto and e-commerce, legacy Wall Street. And the very last update on today is this chart. Remember, we've shown you guys these metrics, right? It's like, are we at a bottom in Bitcoin? Well, we've seen this massive indicator spike at times only when there was a bottom, like here and here and here. And so it turns out that we actually were at a short-term bottom. So we will stay on top of these. We will continue to share them with you. Whenever there is crazy on-chain activity, it is a sign. I'm not saying we're at an all-time bottom, but we are in the process of bottoming, and we're just getting started. It is so exciting. We will stay on top of this market.